Yeah, what you can see here is the insides of a door switch from a Zanussi washing machine, and you probably have seen it on the outside like that, and as that. So, but I've actually opened it up. I've taken the clips, broken the clips in fact, to get to it and have a look inside. As you can see, that is the how it all is. There's a switch mechanism here which fires up. When it connects to there, it powers a bit more, and this turns around and lifts this bar which locks the door. So I think that's what happens. Now, none of this was working. I was just getting an E40 message, and it occurred to me that these contacts, there's one there, there's another one there, one underneath there, and obviously here as well, were probably oxidised. So sprayed it with contact cleaner. I connected it, and the machine started working. So all I have to do now is just fit this back to here. I think it. Not sure how it goes, but I think if it goes like that, actually it goes like that. But the clips won't clip anymore because they've been broken off. But I could perhaps put some tape around it to hold it in place, and that might well work.